Juan with Skagit Home Repairs here. We are getting ready for the heavy rain season. We are cleaning gutters, cleaning the roof, and just getting ready. This is the time to make sure that your roof is clean, your gutters are clean, and that way the water can flow. Part of the gutter cleaning was also to treat the moss. This is the application. When gutters fill with leaves, the water can overflow and damage your roof or siding. A quick cleaning and moss treatment now can save you a lot of trouble later. This is how they look after we removed all the leaves and debris. If you'd like us to take care of it for you, give us a call. We're happy to help.